Whether you're traveling as a couple or alone, the Scope 18M is a great way to see the country. Hi, it's Steve DeVal from Thor Motor Coach, and if you are into traveling and experiencing new things in a small footprint, then the 2024 Scope 18M may be the perfect camper van for you.
So as we look around at all the features in here, remember this van measures in at 17 feet 11 inches long, and it is loaded with everything you need. You're gonna love this area right here. When you are on the go, have a seat as there are seat belts here for the ride. And when you get to camp, you are going to love living in your van. This sofa is your do everything you need it to do piece of furniture, and it does it all comfortably. Let's check out the table here. You can position this exactly where you need it to. And if you need to take it out completely and store it away, you can do that. When you're here and set up and the screen door's in place, this is like no other office on the road. You see, the Scope is equipped with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, so you'll have a safe, secure internet connection everywhere you happen to park. Here's another trick Scope likes to show off. These captain's chairs swivel, so just move the table up there and check this out. Table for two. And on top of all that, the sofa does double duty and makes into your bed. This kitchen is gonna take care of you when you are on the road. You have a 12-volt fridge, slide-out countertop extension, sink, cooktop, microwave, little cargo nets down here for storage, as well as all these cabinets and drawers. There are a number of outlets back here for all your needs. HDMI, cable, 110, USB, and if you want to add a TV, it's all set for you to do that. Let's check out some more storage because this van has it. From the overhead cabinets to a nice pantry here, places to store your tablet, your van is going to stay clean and organized during your trip. In the back here, we find a wet bath. Yes, this is a usable bathroom in a van. You have your cassette toilet down here, a flip-down sink, medicine cabinet, shower, towel rack on the door, even a closet. This van has it all. Down here on the right, we have a 110-volt outlet, a 12-volt plug, a switch for the puddle light and water pump, a quick connect hose, and a nice storage place for it. Heat and hot water in the Scope are handled by the Truma Combi Ecom. This is going to run right off your propane tank. It is very easy to use. The other switch right up here is for the 1,000 watt inverter. The Scope 18M also comes equipped with Rapid Camp Plus. From the main screen here or the mobile app, you can control your lights, your climate, check your tank levels, set the auto gen start for the 2,800 watt gas generator, and monitor the 200 watts of solar charging. Scope is built on a Ram ProMaster 1500 XT chassis. There's a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 under the hood. That puts down 276 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque to the front wheels. And its smooth shifts are handled by the 9-speed transmission. You also have a tow-haul mode for the 3,500-pound hitch. What's nice about having a compact van like this is it is easy and safe to drive. We have a long list of standard safety features to run down: traffic sign recognition, drowsy driver detection, intelligent speed assist, forward collision warning with active braking, pedestrian cyclist emergency braking, rain sensing wipers, and an electronic parking brake. In the center here, we find the Uconnect 5 system. It's a 10-inch touchscreen loaded with all the latest features. You can connect 2 smartphones. There is wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, even Amazon Alexa is built in. This crystal clear backup camera makes parking the 18M a snap. Easy to keep tabs on your phone and keep it charged with the built-in wireless charging right here. Your passenger can keep their devices full as well, as you're going to find a USB-A and Type-C port. Just a few more features to touch on up here: power folding mirrors, proximity keyless entry, and push-button start. I want to run down the steering wheel controls real quick. Over here on the right side is your cruise control, and jumping over to the left, these buttons are going to toggle through the different menus and features and settings in the dash, like your TPMS, the trip meters, and your driver assist functions. And finally, on the back of the steering wheel, you have a couple of buttons that are tied into the radio.
So here's something I want you to think about on the 18M. Remember, this is a van that is only 17 feet 11 inches long, so you can take it anywhere, park it anywhere, and you can take just about anything. With an occupant and cargo carrying capacity of 1,683 pounds, you can really load this up. So let's take a tour of the outside of this 18M.
Over on the business end of the scope, we have all of our connections. This is going to be a 30-amp camper van, and look how everything is laid out right here and convenient. There is city water, your freshwater fill is here, cable connection, even ports if you'd like to up that 200 watts of solar with portable panels. Right down here is a place to store your gray water hose, so this makes packing up real easy. When it comes to plumbing and capacity, Scope holds 18 gallons of fresh water, 20 gallons of gray water, and you have the 4 3/4 gallon cassette toilet. But enough specs, it's time to have some fun. How about we take the bike off the optional Thule bike rack and ride into town? Over here on the campsite, you'll enjoy spending long days under the Thule power awning. And this is another great feature, especially when you wake up hungry. There's a propane connection here so you can hook up a grill or a griddle and go ahead and make a breakfast to start your day right for another day of exploring.
So whether you are ready to go it alone with your spouse or travel with friends, the 2024 Scope 18M is an excellent way to see it all. To see more of what the Scope has to offer, visit thormotorcoach.com.